Hello children, in the last class about Asia, location, extent, we learned. In the next class we learned about the physical features of the Asia. In this class we are learning the climate and the vegetation of the Asia. Okay children, so first I have taken the climate. I wrote some important points about the climate here. Sorry. Yes, see children, Asia is the vast continent. Very vast continent. The first largest continent is, all of you know this one. Already I said this one. So, however, it is vast and many physical features are there. The latitudes are passing. Depending on all this one, it is having the variety of climate. Okay, see this extension of the Asia continent is from the equator to the polar region. Equator means what children? It is daytime hot sun will be there. Sun rays will fall directly on the equator. Daytime it is fully hot. Daytime, evening time it will start raining. So like that kind of climate will be there in the equatorial places. Polar region means very cold one. Like this one. So polar region is in the Arctic. Sorry, it is in the Arctic Ocean. Coldest place it is. So that much it is extended means definitely you will get the very varieties of climatic conditions. Why it is so? Why the climatic conditions are differing from one place to one? That reasons I wrote here children. That is size of the latitudinal extent. How much the latitude is passing, according to that one, it is having the influence on the climate. Then physical features. Physical features means what children? Rivers, desert, forest, mountain. These all influence the climate. Climate will be according to these physical features. How it is? For example, nearby desert is there means what type of climate will be there? Hot climate. Rainfall is very less. If river is there means pleasing weather will get. Ocean, coastal line is there. Ocean is there nearby the place means that is coastal line part. That place is having the humid climate. Got it? Forest is there means rain will be there, so it is cold climate. Like this way, these physical features are having their effect on the climate. Depending on the climate you will get. Nearby mountain is there means it will be hot climate. Evening time it is cold. Like that. Followed by children? Yes. That one only I wrote physical features and monsoon winds. Monsoon winds also children. If monsoon winds, they are blowing from ocean to the land. When they are starting in the ocean means they are having moisture on them, in them. In that monsoon winds are having moisture. So when they are coming to the land, they will cause the rain. Rainfall will be there. So if you are getting the monsoon wind means your area will get the rainfall, somewhat it is cold. Rainfall is there means you can grow the crops and all. If rainfall, monsoon winds only not reaching your region means your land will not get the rainfall. No rainfall means it is desert only. Hot climate will be there. Following children, these are the reasons. Depending on these reasons only, we are having the type of climates. Okay, so because of all this and this Asia is having varieties of climate, physical features. Already I said this one. Some are having deserts, some are having islands, some are having forests, some are mountains. Like this, physical features are different in all the countries. Depending on them, variety of climate is also there. Because of these physical features and monsoon winds, some countries are very cold, some are moderate cold, some are very hot, some are dry, no rainfall only, some are getting the heavy rainfall. Like this way, varieties of climate are there in Asia. Yes, how it will? We can't give the uniform condition of the climate in Asia. Everywhere there is a change. So, average we can say that in in July, greater part of Asia is hot. In the month of July, almost every country is getting somewhat hot. Okay. Then January, in the month of January, southern countries are less cold and northern countries are bitter cold. Southern part, India is in the southern part, children. India is in the, afterwards I will show that one in the map, children. India is in the southern part. So we are having less cold in the month of January. But other countries are having the bitter cold. This less cold, bitter cold, it applies to Asia. Even in the India you are taking means children, in the month of January we are having comparing to in the month of December and all, it is cold only. But if you are taking Delhi and all means they are having the bitter cold only. Like this way, we can't see the weather. Up to your vision only you can see definitely this is the climate. You can't say the, for one country also it is not the same thing. Like that way, it is changing everywhere. Why it is so? For example, India's only I'll give. India's north countries, north states, Delhi and all is getting very much cold because of Himalaya. Himalaya is there. It is influencing on the climate. So they are having very cold, bitter cold. Dal Lake is there in Kashmir. It will freeze children. The river water will become ice. That much cold they are having. But such a cold we are not having, because here we are not having any river or mountains like Himalaya. Yes, no? Yes. This is all about the climate, children. Next, distribution of rainfall is there. Take this point, children. I will explain that. Yes. Distribution of rainfall. It is about the rainy season, children. Here winter season is there. Here summer season is there. Okay. See, children, how the rainfall is there in the Asia means almost most of the part in Asia they get the rain in the summer season only. What rain we are getting in the summer season, they are called convectional rain. How they occurs means, see, in the summer you might have heard, children, if it is too much hot means parents or elders in the family they will say, today it is very much hot, it may rain. Heard, no? Yes, that is called convectional rain. That means daytime heavy temperature will be there, high temperature will be there, and evening it will start raining. That is called convectional rain. What happens that time? The winds will blow from the ocean to the land. If air or wind is blowing from the ocean to land means it carries the moisture, so it will rain. If wind is blowing from land to ocean means it will not cause any rainfall. So whatever winds are there in the summer season, they are monsoon winds. They are blowing from the ocean to the land. So because of this reason, most part of the Asia is getting rainfall in the summer season only. That's one I wrote here. It is about the rainy season. Yes, Central Asia is dry. These monsoon winds are not reaching the Central Asia. Because of this reason, Central Asia will remain without rainfall throughout the year. Because of this reason, it is cold. Why means, see children, sorry. In the southern part, oceans are there. Oceans are there. The wind should blow from the ocean. But when it is going on, that time in between Himalaya is there. Because of this reason, that Central Asia monsoon winds are not reaching the Central Asia. That one I will show in the map. Okay. So it is not receiving the rainfall and it remains dry only. Yes, eastern parts receive the rainfall from the tropical cyclones. As cyclones are there, because oceans are there, in that oceans cyclones will be there. Because of cyclones, eastern parts will receive the rainfall. Follow how it is, I will show you the map. take the map children. Take only these points children. About winter and summer, I will explain. Yes, India is here children. Okay, what I said, eastern parts will receive the rainfall from the tropical cyclone. See children, here 3 oceans are there in the south part. So the wind flowing from this ocean, because of this one, this southern part will get, and the western parts may also get. But here eastern parts of the countries, they will get rainfall when there is a cyclone in this Bering Sea and the Pacific Ocean and all. When the cyclone comes on, that time this east part of the Asia will get the rainfall. Because of this Siberian plains, northern countries are very cold. So they wrote here tundra. Tundra means very cold climate it is. And this southern part will get the less coldness. Followed, this all happens children because of inclination of the earth. In the globe, somewhat it is bended globe. That is called inclination. Because of that one also, there is a variation in the temperature. Followed? Yes. Yes, about winter children, see here. From October to March, most part of the Asia will experience the winter. Most part of the Asia will be hot only, cold only. In the month of July it is hot. From October to March it is cold. Most of the countries of Asia is cold. Why means most of the Asia lies in the southern hemisphere. So in that what happens, sun rays will be slanting. Directly it will not receive the sun rays. Somewhat slant sun rays will fall on the East Asia. Because of this one, most of the countries are cold. Followed children? Inclination I said no. In the globe is not sitting in the straight children. Somewhat it is bended. Inclination it is called. Because of that one, sun rays, some part it receives the direct sun rays. Some it is slightly they are going. Where they are going slightly, it will be cold. In the month of October to March, sun rays are slight. Because of that one, Asia is cold. Followed? Yes. And some part of the Asia will become extremely cold. Like Siberian plains and all, the Central Asia, they become very much cold, bitter cold, -degree it will come children. And in the winter season, rainfall is very less. Because winds blow from the land to sea. Just I told children, if wind is blowing from land to sea means in the land it is having only dust, no moisture. Moisture is there means it will rain. Moisture is not there means it will not rain. So in the month of October to March, this winds blowing, they are from land to the ocean. Because of that one, there is no rainfall in the Asia. Yes. And they do not cause rainfall. They blow from the Central Asia to the Indian Ocean. They will start after Siberian plains and all is there, Central Asia. From there to Indian Ocean they are blowing. Indian Ocean is in the south part of the Asia. Up to that one they are blowing. But they are blowing from the land to the ocean. Because of this reason, there will be no rainfall. Next comes summer season. I hope you understood the winter season. Winter is only from October to March. Why it is winter means sun rays are falling slightly on the Asia. And winds are blowing from land to ocean. Because of this reason, Asia is not getting any rainfall in the winter season. Only this month. Okay? Yes. Now, summer season will start from April to September. April to September. In that, sun rays will fall vertically on the Asia. Vertically means straight. Straightly it is falling falling. So when you are getting the sun rays directly means definitely it will be very hot. And winds blowing from Asia, sea to the land. From the Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, the land, winds will start blowing. So when the ocean winds are there, monsoon winds they are called. So they are having the moisture on them. When they are reaching the land, they cause the rainfall. Because of this reason, in the summer season, Asia is getting more rainfall. Followed, as it is receiving the directly the sun rays, vertically sun rays, the Asia, most part of the Asia is getting the hot temperature. This is about the summer. Followed, children? Yes. Take this point, children. Summer and winter I explained orally, not wrote any points. Watch the video once or twice and write about the winter and summer. Okay. Yes. Homework for today, children. Asia has variety of climate. Why? I don't know which things are influencing on the climate. That right. In which season most part of Asia gets rainfall? Which season it is getting? In winter, most part of the Asia experience extreme cold. In the winter season, most part of the continent is cold. Why? That reason had to wait. Sun rays are falling slightly. All that will be right. In summer season, rainfall is more in Asia. Why? In summer season, rainfall is more. Monsoon winds blowing from ocean to land. That answer is right. Followed, children? Yes. Enough for today. Next, I will take the agriculture, natural vegetation of the Asia in the next class.